Alright guys, so I got the cat out. You guys could see where the angle is. This angle right here is a bit higher than this one. This one's a bit lower, so I'm not going to be able to connect it. I mean, this is the correct one, so you guys can see, but when they manufactured this, they manufactured it at a different angle. So that's enough to keep me from actually putting this in, which sucks, because I'm either gonna have to try to live with this, try to figure out another way, or I don't know, guys. Inspection is coming up in a couple of days. Inspection is coming up, and these guys just messed me up with this. These guys seriously messed me up with this.